What is there up, everybody? I wanted to really film this video because I had two options. Because I get distracted, and it was either message the girl or make the video and show you how I'm doing AI generated directories. And it's all about priorities because I want to do both. So it's 6:30 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna film this video. I want to show you what I'm doing right now to try to make this AI directory work. I made one work, but it's still early stages. I want to try to replicate it with pagination, dynamically generated pages using the API, and I calculated the cost. If I have around 800 pages with 5 businesses per page, and the API call is around 17 cents, it's going to cost around $70 for the API call to pull them and then cache them for 6 months, which means that they don't always have to be pulled every single time it gets clicked. So that's the cheapest I can get. I'm willing to fork out that. That's in USD, and I want to do it again. And I did do it again, and I failed. So I want to show you another prompt. There's two prompts I'm going to show you, okay? And if you want, shoot me a message or comment on the comments down below, and I can paste the document that I'm going to show you in the description to help you out. I'm not too sure if it will, but at this stage, it's all just entertainment at this stage. Because until I make some money, this is all just pure entertainment. And you're just going to watch me trying to make money through distractions because you know me, I just get distracted. And we are almost past the first month of 2025. Time is moving too quickly. But here's my screen. This is the prompt that I used earlier that didn't work, and it's a big one. I just wanted to sum it up. I wanted to build a prompt. I wanted to say, make me a website exactly like this one, which is called yourboulder.com. And if you're not following anyone from SEO or local directories, it's Tim Studs. If you want, I can link that in the description. Just let me know. I'm just trying to keep this super basic. But yeah, yourboulder.com, pretty good local directory. Apparently it was working. I wanted to copy this. I also wanted dynamically generated pages, which means that when someone clicks on it, it will make the page for it based on the super base edge function. If you don't know what it is, essentially, it's different to WordPress. There's no page. Then when someone clicks it, there is a page. Apparently, Google likes that. I don't know. I'm just doing it because I heard it from someone. But you shouldn't do what I should do because whenever you copy someone, it generally doesn't work. But in some cases, it does. But you do you. The thing that I was messing up about was making it mobile responsive. That's something to really think about during web design because when I was using Windsurf, I did not use this prompt and it was messing up the web design and the out the web the mobile performance as well as the font contrast. So that's an important prompt to always include. And with the SEO components, um, always had best or top, and that didn't pull through. All these ones that went lower, all these prompts, they didn't they didn't go through. So it ended up looking like this. Not bad. I don't mind it. There's no clickable page yet. But from a visual point of view, I'm pretty happy. I like this part. The favicon icons, they look cool. I want that again. The only thing is I don't know how this is the part where I'm stuck on, and I really wanted to show you, and I really wanted to document what what. Oh, I just came up with an idea. I might do this for the next project. I'm going to start a new project, but essentially instead of a drop down menu, I want to have a text, and then get the text to see if it can search the text from the table of Superbase, and then find the business. And the text has to be exactly the same as what the information is on the table. Otherwise, it won't pull. And I would say it's not sensitive to um, lowercase and uppercase suburbs. It's a pronoun, so pronoun, proper noun. It has to always have a capital. The categories, if it's cafe, cafe can have a capital C or a lowercase c, and then search. That might fix the problem because currently I'm trying to get this drop down to pull the information from here. So these are my suburbs, but for whatever reason, it's not pulling. So this is all the suburbs that I want to be in this drop down. And if you guys are following, this is my super base table. Apparently, you can get far with a free account. You just stack it all into one project. Got another project called Tutor, which is all my lead gen websites. This is going to be all my tables for my directories. When you guys come across this section, the latitude and longitude, this is where I got stuck heaps. And essentially, you have to fill them out. And to fill them out, you just write the suburb and write latitude, longitude on Google, and you pre-fill them. I tried to get Lovable to do it, but it did a little bit. But I ended up hand writing and searching it all, which was long and tedious, but it actually worked. And that actually made this work. I'll show you. This is just the development section. Let's just refresh this. This is the home renovation discovery directory that I would want to copy for my local South Australian Adelaide business directory. So essentially, you click a random, you click a random city, you click a random service, and I'm chuckling because every time I click this, it doesn't work. So let's see if it works. If the API call calls it, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got top as the H1, so hopefully Google can index it and see it. That's one part I'm still not confident that it's working because if I go to home renovation, it's only found 5 discovered pages, which I'm pissed off about. I don't know how to fix this, but I hope it keeps reading because it's a lot more than just 5 pages. Um, from there, this gets created for 6 months. That's what cache means. That way I don't have to keep paying 17 cents for it to dynamically generate. That's the difference between dynamic and static. Static is just there, versus dynamic, it will just pull what with new updated information, I suspect. So cache bases, scroll down to the bottom, ceiling repairs in Nora on row 46. It just got created. That's what dynamic pages is because that wasn't there before I clicked it. And these were all the things that I've clicked. And in total, there's around 883 dynamically generated pages, and I've only generated 46. So that's how it works. Okay. That's what I want to make for. I try to do it again. This is going to be the third time to make a local directory for Adelaide. This is the first one, failed miserably. And this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to try to do it this way, that's the prompt. Um, get started. Okay, yeah, that is the prompt. Copy that. And I'm just going to try again. Again, I'm paying for Lovable, $50. In Australia, that's like 75 bucks Australian. Expensive, but I just want to get rich. I just want to get rich and retire my parents, pay off my mortgage, and then figure it out from there. What car am I going to buy? I'm going to buy a bloody 2015 Toyota RAV4 because I don't care about cars. I mean, if I did a Raptor, okay, I would spend 100K on a Raptor, 150K Australian. That's how much they cost. But Lamborghinis, not for me. Bugattis, not for me. I just want to be debt free, and then be a bit more savvy with my money. Debt free, well, not debt free now, but liquid cash. I want liquid dry powder. That's what I want. And I want this to help me there because essentially it's not to be, I guess maybe there might be a status component, but dry powder or money, you need to see it as a defensive weapon. You're not going to use it offensively. It's just when shit hits the fan, when there's another global pandemic or global disaster, you would want some dry powder to help not only yourself but your loved ones, right? And that's pretty much why I'm doing this. Otherwise, I'll just be having fun. I'll be messaging girls or girl or a girl trying to instead of filming this video. I'll do that later, but essentially that's what I want to do. And this is what it came up with. Um, how do I feel about this? You kind of looks like this one. There's no search function though. All right, I want to end this video to sum up. I was trying to get Lovable to give me an awesome prompt. Unfortunately, it didn't give me an awesome prompt, and I have to start again, which sucks. But I'm not starting again from completely zero. I mean, I can. This is the closest I can get to almost finish because I might add, I might change the prompt. Let's just do it now. Okay. Again, I feel like I'm getting better with prompting. I want to have the best, but the cool thing about Lovable is the select function, and then I just selected this area. I'm just trying to be general, not going too specific. And then I will say, I want to modify the search function. So instead of a drop-down menu, the user has to write the suburb in a category. Then there should be an autofill for auto completion on trying to guess what the suburb of the category of the user is searching for based on the search. And then see what happens. And after that, I'm going to end the video and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And this is my complete journey when it comes to building local directories. And I feel like the landscape of YouTube, specifically for me, is right now I'm just trying to figure it all out by myself. There are tutorials, but they're hard to find, especially when they say learn or tutorial. It's just a gimmick. I'll try my best not to be too clickbaity. I'll probably try build in public on my journey because I absolutely know nothing. I have no credentials to teach anyone how to build local directories or do SEO. I'm just learning. And if I learn and get paid, boom, happy with that. So I'm not even reading what this is. I'm just going to see if it actually works because I guess that's how you know your prompting is good. Oh, boom, there's that. Let's pick a suburb. Um, let's go Brompton Cafe. Ooh, what happened here? Try to fix. It always does this. My alarm's going to go off in a minute and I'm going to end this video because it's way too long now. And again, I think I've got 7.5 hours sleep, but I just wanted to. Girls, fucking, I love them, but they are a massive distraction. That's pretty much my summary for January. Like, you have to lock in, find a good girl, make it long term, make her make each other work for each other, complement each other, and spread more love. Because potentially I don't know where the world's gonna go, but we need more love. All right, I've got to end it there. It's not working, but I'll see you guys in the next video.